Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the double crochet post wave stitch pattern. As the name suggests, you will be crocheting in the posts of your stitch. So to get started, you want to chain any multiples of 2. You'll also need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do double crochets. Once you have all of your chains, you want to start off with row 1 by chaining 1 and double crocheting all the way to the end of the row. Alright, next we will turn our work and chain 1, and we're going to do our first front post double crochet. And what that means is you're going to insert your hook like you normally would, but then you're going to pop out your hook in the back portion of the next stitch. So right there. And now that you have the first post, and you will just do a regular double crochet through that post. Next, you'll do a back loop double crochet. And where you popped out for the front loop is where you're going to start with the back loop. So you go through the back and go through the front of the next stitch and do a double crochet. So let's do that again through the front. Locate where you ended and put your hook through the front and the back and double crochet. See where we ended for the last stitch, poke through the back, poke through the front, double crochet. So the repeat for this row will be doing a front post double crochet followed by a back post single crochet, and you'll repeat that all the way till the last stitch. So here we are coming up towards the end. We are doing a front post double crochet. And there's nothing to finish off doing another post, so what we do to have a nice edge is we do 1 double crochet in the last stitch. And you kind of see how it's giving a nice ripply effect. So you go ahead and turn your work and chain 1, and we're going to start off row 3 by doing a back post double crochet. So it's poke through, double crochet, locate where you ended for that last stitch and start there, poke through, do a front post double crochet. So the repeat for this row is a back post double crochet followed by a front post double crochet, and you just repeat that until the end of the row like we did before in row 2. So we're doing a front post double crochet, and then in the last stitch we are just going to work a double crochet. And there you have it, how to do a double crochet post wave stitch pattern. And as you go with this project, you'll end up seeing the pattern form, which will help you know whether you need to be in the front post or the back post. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like. And I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.